Now watch out, man. I gotta work up to it first. Gotta be one with the stair banner. Is this called a stair banner or not?
It's called a slide. One leg on each side.
I can't move.
That's why you have to go one leg on each side.
Alright, cut that shit.
Fail. He's too fat to slide.
Let me see. I'm gonna hold the camera while I'm sliding right now. Talking about too fast.
Nah, hell no. If you fall, I want my camera to fall too. So he's not gonna do it.